see a brighter flame. I was really excited when they said yes, and I was even more impressed when they said that they could change that engine over in just a matter of seconds.
So we're already converted? Like, you're done?
That's it.
That was fast. Man, that's good right there.
Okay, now that you know how an engine works, watch each of the 4 strokes and see if you can identify each one. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. Now think about the engine in your car. All the explosions are synchronized together to make that one constant engine roaring sound. I think what I found really refreshing about making this video is you've got Everett, who's retired, and you got Mike and Bill, who later came in the shop and helped us out. These guys are totally different generations, but they're all working together because they absolutely love engines in like a completely unapologetic way. It's beautiful. Anyway, I'll leave links in the video description to all of their YouTube channels, and I would enjoy it if you would consider subscribing. They're small channels. That kind of thing would really help them out.